ഓം പാർത്ഥായ പ്രതിബോധിതാം ഭഗവതനാരായണേന സ്വയം വ്യാസേന കൃതാം പുരാണമുനിന മധ്യേ മഹാഭാരതം അദ്വൈതാമൃതവർഷണീം ഭഗവതി അഷ്ടാദശാധ്യായനീം അമ്പദ്ധാമനു സന്തതാമി ഭഗവത്ഗീതേ ഭഗവദ്വേഷിണീം സർവോപനിഷത്തോ ഗാവോ ദോക്ത ഗോപാലനന്ദന പാർത്ഥോ വത്സഹ സുധീർഭോക്ത ദുക്തം ഗീതാമൃതം മഹത് യം ബ്രഹ്മവർണേന്ദ്രരുദ്രമരുതഃ സുനന്തി ദിവ്യഹവേദൈ ഗായന്തി യം സാമഗാഃ ധ്യാനാവസ്ഥിതൽഗതേന മനസാ പശ്യന്തി യം യോഗിനോ യസ്യന്തന്ന വിദുഃസുരാസുരഗണദേവായ തസ്മൈ നമഃ. ഗുരുർബ്രഹ്മ ഗുരുവിഷ്ണു ഗുരുദേവോ മഹേശ്വര ഗുരു സാക്ഷാൽ പരബ്രഹ്മ തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുവേ നമഃ. ഓം സഹനാവതു സഹനൈ പുനദ്ദു സഹ വീര്യം കരവാവഹൈ തേജസ്വിനാമതീതവസ്തു മാ വിദുഷാവഹൈ. ഓം ശാന്തി ശാന്തി ശാന്തി. I am Pradeep Kumar, mathematics teacher. We are discussing here the first chapter of Bhagavad Gita, that is Arjuna Vishada Yoga. We know in Bhagavad Gita there are 18 chapters. First 6 chapters are known as Karma Yoga. Next 6 chapters are known as Bhakti Yoga. Third 6 chapters are known as Jnana Yoga. Karma Yoga, what is Karma Yoga? That is yoga of karma. And Bhakti Yoga means yoga of bhakti. And Jnana Yoga means yoga of jnana. Yoga means that is we and God will be same, that is union. We know in Bhagavad Gita there are 700 verses, that is slogas. In this chapter we had already discussed 3 slogas. We know Dhritarashtra Uvaja, first sloga. That is Dhritarashtra asked to Sanjaya. We know Dhritarashtra is blind and Sanjaya, he is sitting with the Dhritarashtra. He can watch everything which is going on in the battlefield because Vyasa, due to the mercy, he gave a Divya Chashus to Sanjaya. Then Dhritarashtra asked, "Oh Sanjaya, what did my sons and Pandu's sons do when they assembled in the sacred place of Kurukshetra?" So Sanjaya replied, that means when Duryodhana looked on the side of Pandavas, his mind filled with full of worries. Then he approached the preceptor, that is Dronacharya. We know Dronacharya is a great, powerful, mighty bowman and who had a lot of shishyas in other sides also. This is the 4th sloga. Atra shura maheshwasa bhimarjuna samayudhi yuyuddhano viradasya dribadasya maharada. Atra shura maheshwasa. Atra, here. Shura, heroes. Atra shura maheshwasa, that is might bowman. Atra shura maheshwasa Bhimarjuna Samayudhi. That means equals to Bhima and Arjuna. Great fighters are there like Yuyudhana, Virada and Dribada. That means although son of Dribada, that is the disciples of the Guru, he arranged expertly the army of Pandavas. Although the son of Dribada was not an obstacle in the face of Dronacharya's very great power in the military art, there were so many others who were causes to fear. Duryodhana mentioned, that is, they were a stumbling block and they were as formidable as Bhima and Arjuna, because Duryodhana know very well about the strength of Bhima and Arjuna. Because of that, he compared others with them. Actually, Duryodhana looked on the side of the Pandavas. Although they have 11 Ashauni Sena, in the side of Pandavas, only 7 Ashauni Sena. Nevertheless, Duryodhana, actually, his mind filled with full of fear, because he knows they are very, very mighty bowmen. So he approached the preceptor. In Hindi, Atra Shura Maheshwasa Bhimarjuna Samayudhi Yuyuddhano Viradasya Dribadasya Maharada. Atra Yaham, Atra Shura means Veer. Atra Shura Maheshwasa Mahan Danurdhar. Atra Shura Maheshwasa Bhima Arjuna Samayudhi. Bhima तदा अर्जुन के समान युद्ध करने वाला अनेक धनुर्धर है. यदा महारथो युयुद्धानो विराडा तदा त्रिपदा. Here in this army, a mighty fighters, bowmen are there, equals to Bhima and Arjuna. They are ready to fight. So, actually, from the face of Duryodhana, we can calculate the fear of his mind, because mind is face is the mirror of the mind. So, in this Kali Yuga, the greatest knowledge, that is the spiritual knowledge, Atmiya Vidya, that we must study very well, because in Kali Yuga, everywhere there is no peace of mind. So, my aim is to fill this spiritual knowledge, especially to the ordinary man and the students. Because when the students gets this knowledge from the younger days, they will have an aim, and using that aim, they can reach to the destination, because all power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Believe in that. Wish you all the best. If you understand this spiritual knowledge, please share all this knowledge to your friends and relatives. God bless all of you. Thank you.